Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back again with another puzzle wallet video. So first of all, open your wallet and create your account. That's how you do it.
Yeah, boy.
To unlock exclusive record, you have to subscribe to Puzzle Pro. It's only $4 a month, which is totally worth it. So now we will be playing a game named Wheel of Gifts to earn some parts. So it's totally a luck based game. You have
Bro, what are you
to
talking
spin
about,
the
man?
wheel and wait for your reward.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
The other game we will be playing is squash. You just have to water the plant and you will be rewarded with respect to your level. Higher the level, higher the reward will be. Now here comes the third game. The name of this game is Mystery City, and in this game you have to guess the location that will get you some parts if you are correct. You can see we got 2 parts.
Tecnologia!
So in this game there will be 3 rounds and each round will get you some parts and you just have to guess the location. So guys, I have got 2 parts in first round and 0 parts in second round. Let's see the third one. So there are also some giveaways that are running currently in which you can participate and earn huge rewards. You can see there is another regional giveaway running, so you can participate in it and earn huge rewards for yourself. So these are some more giveaways in which you can participate and try your luck. Maybe you get some good rewards.
Yeah, boy.
Now I will be telling you how to earn part. The first method is beta staking. Just need to connect your wallet and approve a transaction of $0.01. It doesn't matter. The second method is on wrapping. I will suggest you to use Coinbase as it has low trading fees. You just need to transfer Elio to your wallet.
Tecnologia!
Now here comes the most important part of the puzzle wallet, which is arcade store. In arcade store you can get so many worth of dollars of gift cards and you can also redeem them to get yourself benefited from the gift cards. Just read the terms and conditions and their description so that you get to know how to redeem them. I have fast forwarded the video so that you can have the overview of the gift cards that are in Puzzle Wallet game.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So yeah guys, don't forget to rate them positive. I will catch you in some other video. Take care.